This friendship day I sat together with my friends and watched this anticipated movie called Yara on Z5 original, starring Vidut Jamwal, Amit Saad, Vijay Verma, and Sanjay Misra, and many more. This movie is a tale of friendship and shows different circumstances that the four friends go through, the crime they do, all the dues that they do together and not together. So let's get started with its review. The good undertone. The movie has got a great undertone where it tells about the tale of four friends, their crimes, their underdues they do together, and when they are not together. They show all the nuances of friendship in crime and also good world, their marriages, their relationships with their family, and all that, and all the fuck ups that do together. We could all relate to it, but there's another world, the crime world, and there's a mystery hidden behind it. The undertone is great, guys. Plot. There's a mystery behind all the plot points that you go through and all the subplots that you are seeing in this movie. I pretty much got very much involved in the plot points, but then got read out of it because of the screenplay. हाँ, स्टोरी सही है पर स्क्रीन में बहुत कुछ सही नहीं है. The background music. The background music is such that it shows all the feelings rightly to its point, but excels at greatest points when you expect it to be. The bad direction. Yeah, this is a Tigmanshu Dhulia starrer, and that is the most surprising point because he is a veteran in this field. Still, this movie does not excel at any points in direction because it is definitely a mismatched direction to the plot and the screenplay that has been provided to the audience. आप बहुत सारे पल में स्वे हो जाओगे लेकिन आप कन्विंस नहीं हो पाओगे डायरेक्शन के साथ और इसके डेप्थ के साथ. बहुत बड़ा नुक्स है इसमें. द स्क्रीन प्ले. Definitely, if direction lags behind, that is mostly because of the screenplay. Screenplay is something that is written to show you what to involve and what not to on the screen. So pretty much I wasn't impressed by the screenplay because it was very over the top and not in depth. बहुत कुछ जो इसमें दिखाया गया आप उसमें बिलीव नहीं करोगे क्योंकि एम्पल अमाउंट ऑफ उसमें टाइम नहीं दिया गया है आपको. अब जैसे ही किसी सब प्लॉट में इन्वॉल्व होते जाओगे वो वहीं पे ख़त्म हो जाता है और जो आप एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करते हो वही होता है. तो उसको मिस्ट्री नहीं कहते लेकिन उसको स्क्रीन प्ले ब्लंडर ज़रूर कहते हैं. द ट्रीटमेंट. The treatment of the movie is a mystery, crime, drama sort of thing, but I didn't see anything this movie committing to any of the genres as to say, क्योंकि जो मिस्ट्री है वो आपके लिए कोई बड़ी मिस्ट्री नहीं है. सस्पेंस एक बहुत अनयूजुअल वे में दिखाया गया. आप कभी उस सस्पेंस को से इम्प्रेस ही नहीं होगे. आपको ये सस्पेंस ही नहीं लगेगा, ना ही ये मिस्ट्री लगेगा. अदर देन दैट जो ड्रामा है वो थोड़ा बहुत रियल आपको लगता है क्योंकि उसमें एक अनएक्सपेक्टेड ट्विस्ट है जो कि आप एक फ्रेंडशिप वाली मूवी से कभी एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करते हो. मैं इसको ज़्यादा बिगाड़ूंगा नहीं इसके प्लॉट को रिवील करके, आप खुद ही देखो टू जज योरसेल्फ. परफॉर्मेंस. एक्टिंग परफॉर्मेंसेस काफ़ी आपको इम्प्रेस कर सकते थे लीड एक्टर्स के, बट सैडली उतने नहीं किया. अमित सद वॉज समवेयर गुड बट नॉट ग्रेट. कहीं पे बहुत ज़्यादा लाउड एक्टिंग था. वाइल ही इज़ ओल्ड ही हैज़ बैलेंस्ड एक्टिंग, बट loud noises, loud acting in most parts, not impressible. Vidut Jamwal was great at action sequences, but sadly he lacked a lot of emotions and lot of expressions on his face. Unfortunately, action sequences spoke for him, but not his acting chops. Not impressible at all. The star among the four was Vijay Verma and the one of the best lead actors. He swayed with his actions, with his acting sequences, with his comic timing and his all type of aura, his walk. I was greatly impressed by him, and you will too. Another surprise was Kenny Basumatri as Bahadur, the Nepali friend among the four. He came out as a good comic sequence actor and he played his role very well. Shruti Hassan, although a good actor but had very less screen space, she was capable of more, but she had only to do romance in this movie with Vidyut Jamal, nothing more. She could have been spared more with this movie. Another show stealer was Sanjay Misra, the veteran actor. He was great with his comic sequences again, but sadly he didn't had more acting space.
इसलिए तुम लोग कोई ऐसी हरकत मत करना जिससे मैं तुम्हारी इतनी मेहनत से बनाई हुई दुनिया को बर्बाद कर दूं। समझ रहे हो? समझ रहे हो आप? समझ रहे हो ना?